Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you how to fold a napkin to hold your cutlery. It's very simple. I'm going to be using this in my next tablescape, so I thought I would share that with you today. I'm just going to aim the camera down so you can see a little more of how to do it. Start with a basic square napkin, fold it again, lay it down. Take half, fold the top part in half, fold it down again, so it's like that. And you just fold each one of these down over top of each other. Now you're going to leave the top part like it is, but you've got your 3 folds. Flip it over. It's very easy. So just flip it over once and flip it over again. And there you have it. And now you've got a place to put your cutlery. I'm just going to grab a plate and pop the silverware in there. I usually have the fork, dessert fork, or salad fork, and then the knife. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you try this at home in your own tablescapes. Thanks for watching.